The lift-up coffee table is the perfect piece of furniture for compact living spaces, offering both practicality and comfort. With its smart design, the table not only features a convenient lift-up top, but also comes with 4 hidden stools underneath, making it ideal for a small family. The concealed drawers and storage shelves allow you to easily store books and essentials, keeping everything organized without sacrificing a neat and tidy appearance. Whether you're working from home or enjoying a meal, the lift-up tabletop feature provides convenience and comfort, letting you easily relax with your family, even while sitting on the couch. This perfect combination of functionality and elegant design brings convenience without compromising the harmony and space of your room. Next, when you think of cabinets, practicality and function often come to mind, but Sebastian Aristura's creations elevate these expectations to a whole new level, offering innovative solutions that blend beauty with purpose. These designs are sure to captivate you. The bold, angular design of some pieces might seem off-putting at first due to their sharpness. However, behind this initial appearance lies a smart feature. With just a simple motion, hidden compartments slide out effortlessly, revealing a neat and organized storage space. This is a functional yet impressive transformation, changing the way we perceive what a cabinet can be. What begins as a traditional standard cabinet transforms into a unique work of art that's almost impossible to describe in words. The way it shifts, opens, and reconfigures itself brings a sense of surprise and excitement, proving that storage doesn't have to be mundane or predictable. Modern Fold offers a groundbreaking solution for flexibility and convenience in daily life, with a smart wall system designed to automatically assemble from adjustable modular panels. Each of the 30 panels in the system can move freely along a 164-foot rail, allowing you to easily adapt the space according to your actual needs. When necessary, one or more panels can transform into temporary doors, offering no restrictions on how the space can be adjusted. The system continuously monitors the movement of each panel, and if an obstacle is detected, it automatically stops and reverses direction to avoid any unwanted impacts, protecting both people and objects around it. Modern Fold provides a variety of options, from transparent glass panels to opaque partitions, all offering sophistication and elegance for your home. The robotic components that support the system can move in any direction without restriction and automatically adjust their height to meet specific needs. This is a significant step forward in creating.
Imagine relaxing in your backyard and all you need is a cold drink. Instead of heading to the fridge, you have an underground cooler just a few steps away. All it takes is a bit of digging, 8 inches wide and 37 inches deep, and for just $185, you'll have your own underground cooler. This innovative cooler holds up to 15 bottles, safely stored in a waterproof tube buried deep underground. Protected from pests and insulated to keep your drinks cold, it is lifted using a simple hydraulic system activated by manual movements. No electricity required. Welcome to the Joysong Cube Rower Series, a perfect blend of strength training and a realistic rowing experience right at home. With its innovative design, this machine can be placed in the smallest spaces. The rowing track is cleverly hidden within a box, and with just a simple flip, it's ready for use. Incredibly convenient. With the integrated training app, you can experience a variety of exciting workout scenes, making every rowing session more enjoyable. The comfortable leather seat and ergonomic grips provide support and comfort, even during long training sessions. A standout feature is the 5-kilogram water tank, which creates a realistic rowing experience, allowing you to feel as if you're gliding over a serene lake or river. With the ability to adjust the angle and an independent magnetic resistance system offering up to 40 kilograms of resistance, you can train all muscle groups, from Pilates and strength training to stretching exercises. This product overcomes space limitations and is the perfect choice for the whole family. Imagine being able to enjoy wonderful moments of entertainment without worrying about taking up space. Introducing the ceiling-mounted retractable TV, the perfect solution for modern, smart living spaces. With its sleek design, the TV remains completely hidden when not in use. With just one simple action, the TV will smoothly slide down from the ceiling, instantly creating a fantastic entertainment space. Best of all, when you no longer need it, you can easily retract and hide it, returning a spacious and tidy environment to your home. Introducing the Chameleon hose for your central vacuum system. When not in use, this hose is completely hidden within the wall, providing an incredibly discreet solution for your home. No more dragging visible hoses throughout your space. The Chameleon stays out of sight, creating a cleaner and more organized environment. When it's time to clean, simply pull the hose out and you're ready to vacuum in seconds. No hassle, no wasted time. The Chameleon is highly versatile, allowing you to easily disconnect and move it to another central vacuum system outlet, meaning you won't need multiple hoses for different areas of your home. Designed for convenience, the hose features a 360-degree swivel handle, ensuring smooth maneuverability. Its construction helps minimize stretching and twisting, providing a more comfortable and durable cleaning experience. Included are various attachments for every surface, from carpets to hard floors, upholstery brushes to crevice tools, and even specialized attachments for your car or garage. If you're looking for a solution to neatly store your outdoor trash bins, this BioHoard enclosure is an excellent choice. Designed to resemble a regular storage unit, it doesn't have the unsightly appearance of a dumpster. Its main purpose is to keep your trash bins out of sight while maintaining a sleek and tidy look. This box can hold 32 or 64-gallon containers, providing enough space for most households. It's made from zinc-coated steel sheets treated with polyamide enamel, offering strong protection against rain and weather. Additionally, it features ventilation to ensure airflow, preventing unpleasant odors. Security is also a top priority with this enclosure. It's equipped with a secure lock and twist handle, ensuring your trash bins stay safely in place. The bins can be easily removed, and the fastening system keeps them tilted, making it easier to fill them. It's the perfect all-in-one practical solution. Beam It Up allows you to arrange storage right under the ceiling, maximizing unused space. This solution is ideal for hallways with a minimum height of 13 inches above the door and a maximum width of 84 inches. If your space meets these specifications, you can easily start installing the second ceiling, which won't take much time, making it accessible for almost anyone. The storage system includes various modules. For example, there's a mesh block that can hold up to 55 pounds, but it doesn't lower down. However, if you prefer a more convenient option, the company offers modules that can be lowered to your desired height. There are also modules with shelves for storing various items, as well as specialized modules designed specifically for shoes. This smart system allows you to optimize your space while keeping everything organized and easily accessible.
Table bed. Whether you prefer to eat first and then nap, or nap first and then eat, the table bed allows you to do both in any order. This creative piece of furniture easily transforms between a functional table and a cozy bed, all with a simple switch that takes just a few seconds. Designed for one person, the table bed can be used in either form, instantly and without hassle. The table is straightforward to use, but the bed feature is where it truly shines. It comes equipped with a medium firm mattress that ensures comfort, and you can personalize it by adding pillows for even more relaxation. When not in use, the bed can be folded back into a table, optimizing your space and adding a touch of sophistication to your room. You can choose from 3 timeless styles: black, white, or wood. The table bed is undoubtedly the perfect solution for a flexible, space-saving lifestyle. Kumo offers a collection of custom furniture that redefines the way you think about living and working spaces. Kumo transforms any environment with unparalleled elegance, comfort, and functionality. From storage and seating solutions to multi-purpose sleeping and study areas, all seamlessly integrated with smart accessibility features. Crafted to be user-friendly, combining classic mechanical designs with a modern aesthetic. Whether it's a child's bedroom, a luxurious master bedroom, or a sophisticated living room, Kumo furniture easily adapts to your needs. From bedrooms to meeting rooms and living rooms to guest rooms, the possibilities are endless with smart, innovative design. Many multifunctional products can be operated manually, but there are also automated options, offering the ultimate in convenience and luxury. Homes and offices are no longer limited by traditional constraints. Can you fit a large sofa and a bed in your room? With Kumo's transformative design, the dilemma is solved. Say goodbye to choosing between a desk or a sleeping area. Now you can have it all.